Hello guys, so today's video is a bit different from my other videos. In this video I'll be showing you people the products which I have bought recently from online shopping, and I'll share you about the product and the details in a brief. So let's start. So here is the Garnier Face Serum Sheet Mask. So this is really good for the busy life nowadays. Like, you can apply and for in 15 minutes and you will get the moisturizer or the serum for a week. So there are two variations. One is Hydra Bomb, that is for oily skin, and the pink one is for the pinkish glow, and it cost me around $4.99 for the 5 sheets, and it's a good deal. So, and it comes in this paper bag. And another product is the Wow Luxuriant Hair Care Kit, in which I got a apple cider vinegar shampoo, oil aloe vera gel, and a coconut conditioner. And here are the different you can say ingredients are mentioned, how to use, and what nature of the product is, and the pricing is $12.93 for these three products, and it was in a combo, so it was a great deal all over. So the first thing is the aloe vera gel. Sorry, it fallen down. So this aloe vera gel is very natural. It has no you can say fragrant or any you can say chemical thing. So it is very natural thing. You can apply it on skin or hair for soft and silky hair. It is very good. So the usage is different, and this is the apple cider vinegar shampoo. It is a very good quality. Actually, I have using it for last 1 month, and it is very great for my hair. I'm also using a hair mask of apple cider vinegar, which is also good. So I will recommend, if you have a sensitive scalp also, you can go for that. And this coconut conditioner is very good for the color treated hair, as it is mentioned. It is cruelty free, and there is no harsh chemicals, no paraben, no silicones. So it is very a good product overall. So moving to the next product is our Upton range from Wow. So I have got the three Upton products from Wow. So one is the Upton face wash that comes in this package, and the ingredients are written there. How to use it is written there. And next is your Upton face and body scrub, and I will definitely tell you that all the ingredients used here is totally the products which you can available at home, and it's very natural, like chickpea flour or besan, almond shell, turmeric, and gulab gel, that is rose water. So everything, in sandalwood, everything is very natural, so it will suit everyone mostly. So like another product is their face pack, and face and body pack, both you can use, and it is very nice product overall. So let's begin with the detailing of the products, like structure and how it came. So first thing is the face wash. The face wash comes in a bottle like this. It is a bit liquidy texture because you have there the silicone brush over there in the top of the bottle, so you can remove the cover and you have to pump it. See the bristles, so those are silicone bristles, and it is very soft and very helpful in massaging your face and cleansing it and the pores very nicely. If you will pump it from the 4 points, you will see the face wash is coming out. So just simply pump it over your face, over the head, over your cheeks and chin, and just rotate in this manner and clean your face very easily. Very easy and very soft it is. So overall, this is a nice product, I would say. Like you don't have to buy any other scrubber for the face massage and all, so it is a combo with that. So I feel it is a nice product, so you should definitely go for this. Next I will showing you the texture. It is very soapy and very nice. Next is the Upton Wow Upton face and body scrub, which comes in this package, and there are the ingredients over the top. The picture is there, and this comes in this package, the cap. So you can see there are the granules, that is almond nut shell, and it is very nice scrub, very natural I must say. And I was not able to make a video of myself using it, so I'll definitely do it in future. So today I'm just showing you the texture of the materials. So it is very nice and very light. I will definitely recommend you always use your fingers to scrub your face, not your palms or hand totally. And next is the Wow Face and Body Pack. That is a very tall as compared to the scrub. It is a tall packaging because of the applicator, and same packaging is here as the scrub. Only benefit is that you will get this beautiful applicator. It is very smooth and it helps you to allow very nicely the product. It is a very smooth paste as compared to the scrub. Definitely scrub will have the granules so that we can scrub our face or body, and this is very nice muddy basin wala structure that will helpful in applying, and texture is very nice. I will recommend always do a patch test. So the next product is the VLCC Fair and Glowing Skin Snigdha Brightening and Whitening Regime. So this has a combo of 2 creams, cost around 550 rupees. A good deal overall. The back side you will got the instructions and the ingredient details. So both the creams have different materials overall. So there is a day and the night cream, and both are of 50 gram each. So let's begin with the day cream. So the day cream is with SPF 25 and the night cream is with Confre and Niacinamide. So this is for the lightening the skin tone overall. So I'm using this product from like 2 months back, so it is a very nice overall. So let's begin with the texture of the product. So this is the day cream, very nice. It lightens the dark spot as it is written. So let's start. Sorry, it's falling down again. So this texture is very smooth, very nice, and you can definitely go for it, and definitely do a patch test whenever you are using a new product. If anyone is using it, please do let me know in the comment section, because it comes in this packaging. So it's very nice and very easy to blend structure, very easy to blend material it is. You can see how easily it is melting in my hand, and very nice. Overall this was a good product, and the regime is to apply it in the morning is just clean your face, apply toner, and then moisturize it with this cream. The night cream is the same thing. You have to like clean your face properly, apply your toner, and apply the night cream. So the next product is L18 B43 color code. That is Belgian brown color of lipstick, which is a very nice deal. It's a matte lipstick, and it's a very light to wear in the day, also everyday usage, and very formal color you can see. So this is the color. Absolutely, I will show you in the patch also. So this is the proper color. It is very nice for the undertone skin. Next is the Miss Claire Butter Lip Balm. So it cost me around 150 rupees, and it is of red velvet color. So it is a very nice, day, like full day wearing at home or at workplace. The color code is also there, BLBO3. So this is very nice and very cherished color. I would recommend that if you like, you don't want to spend your money on the lipsticks every time, so you can go for this product, as it is a moisturizer for your lips and its color is very popping. So thank you for watching my video, and do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.